If you are traveling to Dumaguete, then save this video for your next travel guide. Hey guys, Kenneth here. Here are some tourist attractions that we tried, visited, and explored. Starting with Painitan, it's definitely a must-try and is popular among tourists and locals. Next is Old Casa Roro Falls. It may be tiring, but it's definitely worth it. Next is Joe's Chicken Inato and Namisad Kayo siya. And for coffee and desserts, you can also try Cafe Maria since it's nice, cozy, and aesthetic. For next attraction is Chera Alta for its amazing and beautiful panoramic view. Next is Mango Ranch. You will surely love here kay daghan kay activities. Next is Bisik Falls, kilid na jud siya sa dalan and no entrance fee. Next is Sulphur Vents and it's also for free. Next, the beautiful Pulang Batu Falls. Don't also forget to take a photo opportunity with amazing Rizal Boulevard. Nindot sa Chaysuroy ug buntag ug hapon as well as gabi. And that's it guys. Hope you will enjoy your Dumaguete trip and salamat sa pagtanaw.